Are you considering a cruise on Silversea's brand new flagship, the Silver Ray? Then join us for a tour of our Veranda Suite. This video will give you a great overview of the suite and help you decide if this suite category is right for you. Silver Ray is the sister ship to Silver Nova and is practically identical in every way. Our suite was number 8029, located midship on the 8th deck. Welcome to the suite. Come in.
When you first come into the suite, on the left-hand side, at least for our room, we've got our makeup counter, which I really didn't think I was going to use that much, but the lighting is better than in the bathroom. And right next to it, which is a feature that we really love, is a laundry bed. Never had that on a cruise.
Okay, let's check out the bathroom now. We'll open it up here. It is a beautiful large bathroom. As you can see, it's just about everything you would need. You have two double sinks. It's one basin, but two faucets connected to it. Over here, we have a bathtub, a full bathtub. And there are some suites that just have a larger bathroom without any bathtub. Down below the sink, you have space for extra towels, drawers for all of your goodies, two trash bins, and a hairdryer. The base of the bathroom is made up of just tile, really grippy, tractiony tile, so you don't have to worry about slipping. And here you have a full shower, both a faucet and kind of a rainforest head type coming out of the top. I go back and forth between liking that kind of bowed out side and a squared version. This one is a bowed out version, and you know what? I'm liking it. Ask me in a few months and I'll probably change my mind. And then obviously you have the obligatory marine jet-powered toilet here. Interesting thing is if you come in and turn off the lights, you have mood lighting inside. Here, beautiful lighting inside. This is with the lights off in the bathroom. And then you also have lighting below the sink area. Silverseas Cruises uses their own branded Optivum bath amenities, soaps, and shampoos. The soaps are meh, and we mentioned this to our butler, who magically replaced them with two options, a fragrance-free German brand and luxury Bulgari. Very impressive. Coming out of the bathroom here, you'll see a full-length mirror. There's also one inside the bathroom as well, but this one's just kind of sitting out here right in front of the makeup counter. We'll take a look at the air conditioning unit, and it's kind of interesting. When we first came in here, we were working with the air conditioning unit, and it wasn't getting very cold. It blew air, but not too much, and after making a comment, somebody came and changed something, and now it's like a vornado. It's ice cold, but you don't actually turn the air conditioning unit up or down. It's just how much speed would you like out of it. So there's no temperature. It's just that's on the cooler side and more fan on the cooler side, and this would be on the warmer side and more fan on the warmer side. There's also a really interesting way that they're subdividing all of the lights on a program. So if you want movie time, you touch movie, it would turn the lights around the suite into the appropriate, there you go, lighting. Or if you wanted, let's say, evening or morning time, it'll slowly start to warm all the lights back in the room.
Across from Vinny is my favorite area, the walk-in closet. First thing that comes to mind that really impressed me, not only is this a walk-in closet, but it has fantastic lighting. I've never been on a cruise ship with strip lighting, so I personally love it. I also really like that the door can stay closed. You can close it if you want, but we leave it open most of the time. And I really like that there's just a standard rack as well as two front-facing racks for our clothes, so it's really easy to organize your shorter items here on the right and then your longer items on the left. And of course here, the most important thing of all, the safe. Got to keep those passports and all your money safe. They also provide a lovely little throw. I haven't used it yet because we're in a warm climate, but would definitely enjoy having it if it was a little cooler. You can also get your shoes sent out to get buffed as well. So overall, I'd give this closet a 10 out of 10.
And now let's talk about the bed. It's a queen size bed, super fine linens on it. There's a mattress topper. It's probably the most comfortable bed I've ever been on a cruise. So on the sides, you have night tables that are open. You'll see one side has a phone. There are USB-C sockets. There are European plugs, American plugs. On the other side is similar. You'll have the sockets, plugs. Each side has lamps. They are fixed, so they're not going to bang around. And then each side has reading lights that can be adjusted on the side as well. And then lastly, each side of the bed has switches that can control all the lights in the suite, so you don't have to get up and walk around the room to go do that. You'll notice we have a bunch of pillows on here. Part of Silversea's sleeping regimen is that they actually have a pillow menu, and when you come in, your butler will ask you what kind of pillow you want. There's the typical foam pillows, there's the down-filled pillows, there's even the memory foam pillows. Wonderful sleeping experience. Each veranda suite has a separate living area with blinds that can be pulled, perfect for movie night. Speaking of movie night, check out this sofa with a large recliner so you can kick your feet up, and heavy coffee table for in-room dining service. Speaking of in-room dining service, it really is true on Silverseas cruises. Champagne and caviar, anywhere, anytime. Or for us, all the time. Opposite the sofa is the room's writing desk, which is loaded with storage options, power outlets, and the room's only TV that can be pivoted for viewing from the bedroom. The interesting thing is they've given you a little tablet here on your desk, so every room has a tablet, and it's kind of your passport to your entertainment, to all of your upcoming reservations. We have, our dinner at Salt, upcoming things that are going on in the ship, like a disco dance lesson, onboard activities, plenty of drawers. There's a stationary drawer with directory in there, more storage for you if you need it, and then the mini bars in here. And on Silversea, mini bar is complimentary, so they always have water, French champagne, beer, sodas, anything you would want. You'd ask your butler, and they will fill it every day for you. Let's step out onto our veranda. Like we mentioned earlier, ours is a Veranda Suite. This is kind of the basic room on board here. There are no rooms that do not have a veranda of some kind, but this is the basic one. So actually pretty sizable. What you would need: 2 chairs, a little table for a cocktail, and then space outside. And that is an overview of a Veranda Suite on the Silversea Ray. Want to learn even more about the Silver Ray? Consider our other videos: a comprehensive dining guide to all the food and beverage outlets, or a full ship tour for the inaugural voyage of the Silver Ray. Catch you next time.